To fix a keyboard on an iPhone, start by restarting your device, as this often resolves minor software issues. Press and hold the sleep-wake button until the slide to power off option appears. Then slide to power off and wait for 30 seconds before pressing and holding the sleep-wake button again until the Apple logo appears. If restarting does not work, check for any debris or dirt that may be obstructing the keyboard. Use a soft cloth to gently clean the screen, paying particular attention to the areas around the keyboard. Next, try resetting the keyboard dictionary by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Reset. From the list of options, choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary and enter your passcode to confirm. This will remove any learned words or shortcuts that may be causing issues with your keyboard. If the problem persists, check for any software updates by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Software Update. If an update is available, select Download and Install, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. In some cases, a faulty keyboard may be due to a third-party app. To troubleshoot this, try restarting your iPhone in safe mode. To do this, press and hold the sleep-wake button and the volume down button at the same time. Then release the sleep-wake button but continue to hold the volume down button until your iPhone restarts. If the keyboard works in safe mode, it is likely that a third-party app is causing the issue. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to restore your iPhone to its factory settings or visit an Apple store for further assistance. To restore your iPhone, go to Settings, then General, and select Reset. From the list of options, choose Erase All Content and Settings, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restore. This will remove all data from your iPhone, so be sure to back up your device before doing so.